In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 very simple English preposition rules. And you can also download my new English prepositions booklet, which is completely free. The link is in the video description, so I hope you find it useful. The first rule is about using in and at. In means that something is inside a bigger space, container, or area. For example, you can be in a room. I'm in a room means I'm inside a bigger space. I'm in Cambridge. I'm in a specific area. But we use at when we're talking about a very specific location. For example, I'm at the door. So I'm at the door in the room. So I'm right there by the door. It's a very specific location. I'm at a bus stop. So I can say I'm in Cambridge at a bus stop. The bus stop is a very specific location. I'm right next to it. The next rule is using on and in with transport. So the general rule is that we use in with smaller vehicles like a car, a taxi. It's a small enclosed vehicle. I'm in a car. I'm in a taxi. But we use on when we talk about larger vehicles that we normally share with other people, like trains or planes or boats. So I'm on the train. I'm on the bus. I'm on the plane. The third rule is about in. And we use in for talking about periods of time like months, years, decades, and seasons. So for example, in November, in 2005, in the 90s, in the 20th century, in spring. So this is just something you need to memorize. The next rule is about between and among, and they are very similar to each other. And of course, there are exceptions, but the general rule is that you can use between when you're talking about two things or people, like someone is standing between John and Mary. And among when you're talking about a group of people, like 3 or more, among the students. So the agreement was made between two companies, but she felt comfortable among her friends. So in the group. And the final rule is about onto and into. And this rule is very simple. Onto is movement to a surface. So for example, the cat jumped onto the table. So the table is a surface, and now the cat is on this surface. So when we talk about the movement, the jumping, we need onto, because the movement is to a surface from the floor to the table. And into is about movement from the outside of something to the inside. So the cat jumped into the box. So the cat was outside, and now the cat is inside. So into the box. Don't forget to download my free English prepositions booklet from the video description, or sign up for my English prepositions course, which I've also linked in the video description. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.